As you know, this year, 2023, the Nobel Prize for Chemistry has been awarded for the discovery and synthesis of quantum dots. Now, quantum dots are nanometer-sized crystalline cluster of semiconductor nanomaterials. They are inorganic nanoparticles, about 1 to 10 nanometer in diameter, and these tiny small particles consist of hundreds to thousands of atoms in each particle. Now, they are synthesized in high quality hot injection method, where their surface chemistry can be flexible and by which there are many fields, many applications could arise of. And most importantly, they are very bright. The first better quality semiconductor quantum dots has been synthesized in Professor Munji Bawandi's lab 1993 in his seminal work, and later lots of other researchers have started exploring of different sizes, shapes, compositionally different nanomaterials, and that's really opened up the field, and people discovered or uses these quantum dots in many different fields, and this changed the spectrum of the application for the quantum dots in nanotechnology field. Thus, after 30 years of quantum dot synthesis, it's become a part of the nanotechnology toolbox, and now we can see a lot of commercial application of the quantum dots. One of the early days, people uses the quantum dots for creating different lights, but nowadays we can all see the QD LED TVs in our daily to daily life where people use quantum dots. Not only that, people use LED lamps with the help of quantum dots. People in the biofield where researchers map organ cells with the help of quantum dots, and nowadays even doctors, they uses quantum dots to track tumor cells. But if you talk about chemistry, these quantum dots are used for catalysis applications, and they can use at heterogeneous catalysis, which can faster the reactions. Frankly, the future of quantum dot is very bright. It could go from flexible electronics to minuscule sensors to slimmer solar cells to encrypted quantum communications. As you know, there are 3 scientists who got the Nobel Prize. So in 1983, Professor Alexei Akimov in Soviet Union first introduced the concept of quantum dots, and he observed that from the colored glass, which we day-to-day life can see this in the glass window of the churches. In a similar time, Professor Louis Bruce also introduced the concept of size-dependent fluorescent behavior. However, both of them, the particle size was not so great that time. As I mentioned, in 1993, the seminal work of Professor Munji Bawandi's group at MIT, they synthesized high-quality, nice crystalline quantum dots there, and from there, the journey of quantum dot has started. Many researchers has used similar technique to prepare quantum dots for various applications which I mentioned earlier.